Hola estudiantes, hoy vamos a hablar sobre los verbos en la forma de yo, present tense I verbs, talking about I myself, what I am doing. This should be a short and easy video, not complicated like last week, so let's get started. To say that yo, or I, am doing something, you just add o to the end of the verb. We know one of these already. Yo tengo. I have. But we actually don't know a lot of regular verb examples. All the regular verbs, okay, so ones that aren't exceptions to the rule, get the same ending. AR verbs, ER verbs, and IR verbs all end with O. One thing you have to remember is that you take off the vowel, so you remove the A, E, or I before adding O. You can usually remember this because it makes it a lot easier to pronounce it. So, bailar would turn into bailo, I dance. Comer would turn into como, I eat. And escribir would turn into escribo, I write. O, O, O. No matter whether it's an AR, ER, or IR verb, and also no matter whether you are a girl or a boy. When you're talking about yourself, yo, your verb ends with O. You can remember it because it rhymes. It's pretty easy. ¿Cómo se dice I search en español? La respuesta es busco. You can say yo busco, but you don't have to. The O implies that I am doing the action. Busco, I search. ¿Cómo se dice I live en español? The verb is vivir. Es vivo. Okay, you can say yo vivo or simply vivo. ¿Y cómo se dice I read en español? It's leo. This one tends to trip people up because it's just so short, but it is just one E, leo. But wait, there's more! Unfortunately, there are lots of exceptions to the O rule. I told you that all regular verbs get an O, but we know a lot of exceptions already. For example, yo soy, I am, yo estoy, I am, and yo voy, I go. They all have an O, but they also have a Y. A similar verb is yo doy, I give. It's part of the verb dar, but dar turns into doy instead of just do. There are others, but these are some of the ones we're going to focus on this year. But wait, there's even more! There are also some weird verbs called yogo verbs that get a G-O ending instead of just O. We know one of these already. It's yo tengo, I have, because tener means to have. It didn't have a G before, but we just stick one in there, yo tengo. And we'll soon see some others, quite a few others. Yo pongo comes from poner, I put. Decir turns into yo digo, I say. Salir turns into yo salgo, I leave or go out. And I fall is yo caigo, from caer o se cae. I do or make is yo hago, from the verb hacer. So all of those are major exceptions to our rule. We won't necessarily need to memorize them all, but if you see these, you need to know what they mean. Okay, so come prepared to practice in class. Buenas noches y hasta luego.